How to quickly use the AI nail lamp. Press the power button.
Hello.
Connect to Wi-Fi. Scan the QR code on the screen with your phone. Enter the Wi-Fi name and password to generate a new QR code. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button. Align the phone's QR code with the lamp's camera for scanning. Connection success will be displayed. Quickly press the Wi-Fi button twice to skip network setup and start directly. At this time, the AI nail lamp is in infrared sensing mode with a curing time of 75 seconds. The manicurist can adjust the curing time and number of sessions as needed. Screen functions introduction. Each client can view the AI nail recognition display in real time up to 6 times. When the client starts the 7th nail curing session, a video will play on the screen. The volume can be adjusted using the volume button. If the client wants to continue viewing the real-time AI nail recognition display during curing, pressing the AI button twice will allow an additional 6 times views. Advanced Professional Gels Curing Mode. Equipped with a dedicated wireless keyboard, it elevates technicians' professionalism with ritual-like precision while delivering painless gel curing and double gloss for clients. Wireless keyboard Bluetooth pairing. Hold button A and button B for 2 to 3 seconds until indicator flashes. Pairing successful when display shows OO. Button A, base coat and color gel. Button B, hard to cure gels. Button F, extension gel. Button T, top coat. Other hidden practical functions. Press on nails mode. To activate, hold button A until the indicator flashes. To exit, press button A again. Fast or gentle mode toggle function. Short press, adjust volume. Long press, toggle to fast, gentle mode. Screen standby, memory function. Short press 1 second to turns on, off the screen. Long press 2 approximately 3 seconds to activates memory function. Press any dedicated timer button. Then immediately long press the memory button. In automatic sensing curing mode, the time is remembered as the last set time using the dedicated timer button. Press and hold again to turn it off and cancel the memory, and the automatic sensing curing time will revert to 75 seconds.